Hello again, it's Carl Cox from BAL, and I'm continuing BAL's A to Z of Tiling, and today is letter L. Now the L we're going to use stands for Laitance. Now for those who are not familiar, Laitance is a weak, brittle sort of skin layer that sits on the surface, ranging in thickness, can be almost non-existent, in some cases up to 5mm thick, which sits on the surface of different types of concrete and gypsum-based screeds. It starts forming once the material is poured and the drying process starts, and what it does is it causes salts and other sediments, other bits and pieces to sit and rise to the surface once it's starting to dry. Due to its weak and brittle nature, applying tiles directly to the surface will more than likely cause delamination of the skin away from the main screed base, which is obviously going to cause the tiles and adhesive to come away from the floor. It's vital that Laitance is removed if you're going to be directly bonding to the floor. The best way this is achieved is using mechanical methods like first sanding and planing, and then given a very thorough hoovering. However, there is alternatives in the market now, the likes of BAL's Flexbone 2 Easy, which is a fully uncoupled matting system which can go straight over this Laitance without the need of removal, scarifying or abrading the surface, and also negates priming, therefore saving you time and money. If you want any further information, contact your local BAL training technical support, and we can happily assist with on-site demonstrations and also talk to you about removing Laitance and other issues that you're going to have in the world of tiling. Thanks very much. Bye-bye.